I love the smell of WD-40 in the morning. I'm starting the video off today in my home, which is weird. I've never done that before. So today, you guys are inside. But anyways, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. My name is Corey and I am Platinum Built. It is another wonderful day in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's approximately 14 degrees outside. The wind is blowing sideways at a high speed. It's snowing. Makes for lovely filming conditions. Quick trip to Old Mexico on a private road. Okay, so we have officially made it to the filming location. It did warm up just a little bit. It's about 19 degrees now. The sun is indeed shining. So, as you can see, I am never prepared for the winter weather. I always wear a hoodie. Who wears a hoodie when it's 19 degrees outside? Alright guys, this isn't like an official how-to video. I'm just showing you a little trick that I use to keep my wheels from really getting really nasty over the winter. There's a bunch of, ways you can go about doing this. This is just what I do, so I figured I'd inform you guys. I mean, it's the middle of winter in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It is freezing outside. I figured I'd let you guys in on, how I protect my wheels. Little disclaimer, this is not a guarantee to protect your wheels over the winter from the road salt. So if you put this stuff on your wheels and your wheels get all jacked up, don't hold me to that. So do this at your own risk. All right, so it's actually not too bad out here. The wind it's slowed down a lot. So, I hope it doesn't pick up because this camera picks up wind noise like a freak. So first things first, you're gonna wanna start with a clean wheel. Let's switch to that. Now. Bam. Wheel was clean. Now, I'm not talking, you can't clean your wheel with your grandma's garden hose. That's not going to clean your wheel good enough. You gotta get your wheel absolutely clean. You cannot apply a protective film to your wheel with crud underneath it. That does you no good. There is no benefit to that. If you're watching this video and you're American, then you absolutely know the product that I'm going to tell you to use. Good old WD-40. Okay, so step 2 is applying the WD-40 to your wheel. Now you can go about this a few different ways. If you want to get real technical, you can take a garbage bag and you can cover your rotor and your caliper. Now if you're going to do that, you have to make sure the brakes are cool, unless obviously the garbage bag will melt to your brakes, and that is no bueno. Or you can take it a little easier and gently spray it over all of your wheel. But you have to be very careful because you do not want to get WD-40 on your rotor. That would also be no bueno. Once you have your WD-40 applied onto your wheel, you want to get your rag sopping. The goal here is to get yourself a nice film of WD all over your wheel. So after you put one layer of WD on your wheel, you do another layer. So it's real cut and dry. The main goal is to get a film of the WD-40 all over your wheel to protect it from the elements, the road salt, the road crud.
I said crud.
You know, anything that's going to hit the exposed material.
I said crud.
So you're going to put a protective coating on that, and it will prevent corrosion and whatever else. This isn't an official how-to. This is just me taking you with me on my daily adventure. I had to put some WD-40 on my wheels because I washed my truck yesterday. Now we're going to go on a little drive, and we're going to go see if my buddy's home. My phone's ringing. Oh, something in the road. Big rock or something. Quick little story. Whenever me and my wife first got together, we were just dating, and I was on this exact road. She had a Volkswagen Jetta. I feel like every girl had a Volkswagen Jetta in their life. But I was on this road, I was driving, you know, thinking I was cool, you know, flying around in the Jetta. Flying up this road, coming around a bend. What do you know it? Rocking the road. And here I come, like a sucker. Cruising around the bend, smash.
I got a bowl of chocolate pudding in my underpants.
I looked like a big idiot. I actually ruined her tire. There's a big bulge in the sidewalk. Funny story, I looked like a complete a-hole. So yes, in fact, I did drive by my friend's house, and indeed, he is not home. So, okay, so if you guys have been following my channel, you probably have noticed in the early videos of my business, my shop. So you're probably watching this video today saying, you know, what the heck is he doing, you know, fixing up his truck or putting WD-40 on his wheel outside in the lot freezing? I'm gonna let you in on something. 2017 came to a close, and my lease on my building was up. So in fact, I made the decision to not renew the lease. I didn't want to get stuck in the other lease. We need a bigger shop. That shop was a little too small for us. So currently at this moment, I am shopless. And this is just my install shop. You know, I have a wheel and tire company that's online, but our warehouse isn't even in a state. Our warehouse is centrally located in the country to provide, you know, faster shipping. You know, we actually stock our products. I don't, you know, whenever you place the order on my website, I don't order the product in from the manufacturer, nor do I drop ship from the manufacturer. You know, we actually house our own products, and that warehouse is located centrally in the United States to, you know, have quicker ship times. Like if our warehouse was in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and you're ordering from California, you know, like that's a 5-6 day ship time. Probably more for freight because the wheels get stacked on a pallet and they're very heavy, and the UPS guy can't deliver those. That has to come, you know, a freight carrier. So that is why we cannot just work out of our warehouse, because it's not here. Our headquarters is based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I had an install shop where we built, you know, local trucks, did lift kits, did diesel performance, delete kits, you know, pretty much anything for trucks. And yes, in fact, it was the end of 2017, and my lease was over. And we have been contemplating this for a long time now, trying to expand. I'm sure if you go back and watch a few of my other videos, you hear me say, you know, we're out of room. I only had one install bay, and you know, that just didn't work out. So we're gonna get a bigger shop, and I have been looking like crazy. So if you're watching this video and you're local in the Pittsburgh area and you know of a building for rent, you know, drop a comment below, because I have been looking everywhere, and I'm not gonna pull the trigger and rush into a building that I don't want. And also, I'm not looking for anything road front. Our previous building was all road front. You know, we had great road frontage. It was great, but I want to get away from the general walk-ins. I want to have more of a private facility where we cater, you know, to our clientele, to provide them with a better service. Okay, so that's just a little background on my current situation with our local install shop. Looking for a bigger shop, and we'll find one. Just gotta take my time. I might make a, you know, full, like, my story video, you know, explaining to you guys what exactly I do on a day-to-day basis, my businesses, because I have multiple, and how I'm able to do, you know, whatever, and have a $80,000 truck that I just drive around and do donuts in. But, you know, that will come later. Right now, I'm trying to do a little more daily vlog type situations where it's just me, you know, basically informing you on, you know, what's going on, and this and that in my life. I don't want to really do how-to videos or install videos. I don't really like those that much. I don't like making those that much. But right now I pulled over into a like abandoned lot. I find the craziest places to park and, you know, talk to the camera, talk to you guys. And there's like shady, like scary old, like rusty swing sets over there. There's like a pile of logs there. Like, so like I find the weirdest places to pull over and film. So stick with me. You know, maybe tomorrow I will take you guys with me shop hunting. You know, maybe we'll go look at a couple places, you know, get some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. You know, we're in this together. And then, you know, actually I got some news about our wheel site, you know, MDM Wheel. But you know, that will come later. I'm not going to plug anything. I'm not going to do that kind of stuff right now. But that's it for today. It was a quick little day. It's freezing outside. I figured that I could just take you with me and show you how I apply a protective coating of WD-40 to my wheels. If you made it this far, amazing, because I did some rambling and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, little story time. I know my last video was a little bit of story time, but you know, that's what it is. I know today is Friday, so everyone go have fun. I hope everyone had a great day. I hope everyone stayed warm. And always remember, anything is possible if you put your mind to it. You know, think about it that way. I wanted to do a ton of things in my life, and I just simply did them. I made it happen. You can too. So remember, if you're into anything in the automotive industry, if you work harder than anyone you know, if you live life to the highest quality, then you are Platinum Built. Hit the subscribe button and officially join the Platinum Built family. Come with me on my daily adventures. I have so much planned for this channel. You guys have no idea. I have a bunch of project vehicles. We need to find a shop. The shop, honestly, probably will just turn into, you know, a YouTube thing. It'll be a YouTube HQ. Stay tuned. You guys are going to want to see what's going on. Thank you for sticking with me today. I hope everyone had a great day, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace! Let's end the video with a snowy, salty truck montage.